Go. There's the blue crayon.
Blue crayon.
The blue crayon. Do you have a green crayon? Which one's this? Blue crayon. Thank you. Ooh.
Cool. Apple.
That's an apple, that's right. Blue. Oh, what's that? What color is that? Hmm? Turn. That's right. Bubbles. Push, turn. Push, turn. Push, turn. Push, turn. Yay. I see that. Those are beautiful bubbles. Those are cool, man. Push, turn. Yep, that's purple. That is purple. You are right. Purple?
No, it's purple.
What's wrong?
Purple.
Yep, that's purple.
Purple.
Yay, purple.
Yeah, purple.
Ooh, I like that crayon. What crayon is that?
Circle.
That's right, 2 crayons. That's right. You the man. You the man. Cool, dude. Would you like a blue crayon?
Okay.
Trade? Thank you. Thank you. Oh, now I have 2 crayons and you have 1 crayon. Now how many crayons do you have? Oops. It fell. It's okay.
It's big.
A crayon to color? Yeah. I think it's under the table, honey. Did it go under the table? Yeah, you can color with the purple. It's okay. It's good. Oh, it's hiding. Look. Oops. Ta-da! Yay! Oh, you want to color on this paper? Here's your other book. Book. That's right. There you go. Lots of books. That is a star. That's right. Where's the ball? Yes, sir. How about the apple? Apple. Yay. Apple tree. Where's the apple tree? Do you see the apple tree? Yes, there it is. Yay. Nice. I like that touch.
Cool.
Cool, man. There you go. There you go. Never too much paper. Turn. Turn.
Oh, nice.
Nice. Very nice.
Cool.
your trains?
Choo-choo.
Choo-choo. Choo-choo. Choo-choo. Looks like Charlie chewed on this one. Did Charlie chew on this? Yeah, Charlie chewed on that one, huh?
Oh,
Choo choo. I don't think that colors. No. No, it's okay though. Not everything colors. But that is the same color as one of your crayons.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Do you know which one?
Okay.
Here's your red one. There you go. Choo choo. Very nice. Choo choo.
Okay.
What do you think? Dado is at work. Hi. Nano is at her house. The guitar? Yes. Yes, there is. The guitar is at Nano's house. Choo choo. Ta-da! What's under that train? What's under the train? Look under the red one. Yeah. Look under the red one. Choo choo choo. Where's the apple?
Apple.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Oh.